Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate pop-up view on this device. Firstly, open one of your apps like Play Store and click on this button with 3 lines. Now you need to click on those 3 dots at the top right corner of your app and select Floating Window. Now click on it, and as you can see, I can use my Play Store in this little window over here. If you wish to move it around, you need to hold this line over here and drag it. If you wish to use it to overlay other apps, you can always click on Home button, open the other app and operate in both of them. If you wish to close this window though, you can tap on this X icon at the top right corner or simply close it in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!